Go.
Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, orúkọ mi ni Arẹwà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ti mọ̀ tí ó dẹ̀ yí padà. So nǹkan tí mo tún gbé wá fún yín lónìí ni àwọn nǹkan ìbálòpọ̀ wa, àwọn nǹkan lókólóbò wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ti mọ̀ mí tí ṣe understand. And ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí t'Ọlọ́run kí n tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ wo ìkúnlẹ̀ mi rè. Ẹ̀yin tèmi tẹ́ máa ń bi mí wípé ẹ wá nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi ṣẹ́yún tàbí nǹkan ìṣẹ́yún. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí t'Ọlọ́run, mi ò ta nǹkan ìṣẹ́yún. Nǹkan tí mò ń tà is just for a sexual health benefit. Èmi máa ta nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi lóyún ni, mi ò ní ta nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi ṣẹ́yún. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí t'Ọlọ́run, ẹ má wá sí DM mi pé ẹ̀wọ̀n nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi ṣẹ́yún tàbí ọ̀rẹ́ yín kan lóyún, mi ò fẹ́. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Àdódùn náà lélẹ́yìí o, this is supplement àdódùn, but this one is just like you using vitamin for you to get a glowing skin. So this one too is just like you using vitamin for you to have an active V or an active vagina. So this is the way it is. You take 2 to 3 spoons in the morning and at night. You can even mix it with warm water, and that is it. You are good to go. Òbò ẹ máa dùn ní, ọkọ ẹ máa wà addicted sóbò ẹ, kò sí pé ó fẹ́ lọ wóbò mi níta. So ìwọ náà tọ́jú òbò ẹ, má kó òbò tó ń rùn kiri o. Òbò tó ń rùn ọkùnrin ò kí ń fọ́ fún ọ. Eléyìí dẹ̀ ni ó ṣiṣẹ́ fún toilet disease. Àwọn tó bá máa ń tẹ́, even if you don't have toilet disease or you are the type that usually has it, you can be taking one in the morning, one at night. It's always a very easy one and it's very, very active. And then for the men, my penis enlargement, I have them in different form. Come and get them very, very active. So yẹyin eye gboko kere kiri mo ìwọ tó bá dé gboko tó kere kiri ó ní láti mọ̀ lò, tó bá ti mọ̀ lò wá kó wá gbé. And this particular one, eléyìí tẹ́ ń wò, tested and trusted ni. Ṣé rí òun kò tiẹ̀ lé bó ṣe dàbí banana ìbí banana náà lè ṣe rí. Ẹ bá ti kàn tí ọ̀rá gé ní bíbá kẹ̀lẹ́ wọn bóyá o lè jẹ́ láàjì gan lórúkọ wọn a máa lá. Ṣorí tí má já fún ẹ ó bí milk ló ṣe máa ń fà tó bá dẹ̀ ti la. Ṣorí eléyìí méjì ti fẹ́ kí n tó bá ti mọ̀ pé o ti ṣe tán máa lò eléyìí. Obìnrin ló wà fún kì í ṣọkùnrin o. Tó bá ti mọ̀ pé o ti lò o ti ṣe tán máa lò dẹ́ fún àwọn obìnrin tẹ́ pé wọn kì í wet tẹ́ pé máa ń dry. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé téèyàn bá ń dry tó bá tún wá ń dóko bí ìgbà tó fẹ́ fún ẹ ní bruises ibẹ̀ máa dùn ẹ́ dẹ́ ó lè ṣe léṣe gan. So you need something, and if you have lubricant too, you can also always order for your lubricant. Lubricant is always very good. Fún téèyàn bá ń dóko náà, ó make sense gan. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ kẹ́ máa dóko kí gbogbo ẹ máa lọ pọ̀ ṣe pọ́kípọ́kí kò yé yín. So ẹ wá rà kò wọ́n àtọ̀. Slide into my DM and get yours. Thank you very much. Má jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ pé o wet. Torí wípé kí ni mo ní oríṣiríṣi àwọn oògùn ẹ tó máa lò níbí báyìí. Kò tiẹ̀ kí n ṣe oògùn, all these things are just natural stuff. Wọ́n ò dẹ̀ kí n ṣe káyámátá. They just like this particular one is made out of gorontula, honey, dates, and all of that. It's just something you can just take and lick. There's nothing wrong about it. Maybe I go there, let me feel carry. It's something you can just take and lick. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong about it. It's not drugs. So please, and please, don't let your marriage suffer. Don't let your sexual life suffer. Hello, everybody. It's your girl Arẹwà. So, what I have in store for you again, we have the pussy sweetener, the vagina sweetener. This one is for ladies, and I know most of you can testify to it because a lot of this is one of my best selling products. So please, and please, I have this in bulk. Opo, yeah. Come and get it. It's not expensive. And then I have all our penis enlargement. We have the penis enlarging gel. We have the oil. We even have the tablets. We have the one that is sweet. We even have the one that is like spray. We have them. And then for the pussy sweetener, please, I have them a lot. Tested and trusted. Honestly, you will enjoy it. This coffee too, for those of you that you've gotten it, I'm very sure you know it. One of my best selling too. The one that you mix with probably your alcohol, drink, anything. Just get it and you will love it. Thank you.
Go.
This is also one of my best selling products. I've talked about this several times. This one is like sweet. Ọkùnrin ló ní ẹ lè lójú ẹ̀mẹ́ta lọ lóṣù mo ti sọ fún yín. Tẹ́ bá ti lò lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ó máa jẹ́ kára yín wà active. It also works for penis increment, enlargement, staying longer in bed and all of that. This is very, very active. If you want to use it for the first time, 5 minutes after using it, ara ẹ máa le kò sí bókù ẹ̀ ò ṣe nílé. Àyàfi wáyé pé wọ́n ń ṣe tó máa ń ṣe gan-an eléyìí cost breaker ló máa jẹ́ fún ẹ. So okó ẹ máa le wà á dẹ̀ jó nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa dé. In fact, for good 2 hours you are still there. As long as the person you are doing it with is also very active. And for like a week, ara ẹ máa strong. Jẹ́ pé kò sí pé o fẹ́ dóbò okó ẹ wá ń dorí kọlẹ̀ kò wá sókè kò possible. So eléyìí dẹ̀ máa ń da is very, very good. You can use more than 3 times in a month. So this will last you for about 2 to 3 months. Shortcut. So ìwọ tó bá ti mọ̀ ló dédé wá ká kọ́ ẹ bó ṣe máa ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan ẹ tó ń ṣe bó ṣe wẹ̀. And then this is something everyone keeps asking me about. This I already told you. There is nothing like a 3-minute man has a problem. As a 3-minute man, you don't have a problem. It becomes a problem for you if as a 3-minute man you are fucking a 1-hour person. A 3-minute man, you look for a 3-minute woman. However, if you know that you cannot get your 3-minute woman, get your sex enhancement products. It's as simple as that. These things are drugs. They are not even spiritual at all. So thank you so much. I'll be waiting for you in my DM to come and patronize me. For any complaint, you can always DM me. I'm always available. Thank you. Má jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ pé o wet o. Má jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ pé sexual life ń suffer. Ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá à ń ta yìí? Àwọn nǹkan tá à ń ṣe out of àwọn nǹkan tó lọ ń dá fún wa natural stuffs. Gòbóntúlà, oyin, débínò, tá ní ọmọ gbogbo àwọn yẹn. So àwọn nǹkan yìí ó dá lára dé pé bó bá ṣe tèkè ìwọ̀gbọ̀n ya ọkàn ya balẹ̀. Ṣé ìwọ fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ẹ dún ẹ kínú ẹ gan dùn ni? Gbogbo àwọn kíní ó máa ń jẹ́ kí depression kókó wọn body. In fact, ó máa ń save èèyàn from àwọn cancer kọ̀ọ̀kan. Tẹ́ bá ẹ lọ make enquiry lọ́wọ́ doctors yìí. So please come and get this thing. And don't worry, I'm not even going to tell anybody that you bought anything for me. Just talk about your sexual life with me and be rest assured that you are safe. I don't have the time. Money is just to sell my products and get out of here. So I jump to it along. Ẹ wá ra àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ rà. Pussy sweet náà wà ní. Àdó dùn, kókó ilé dùn. Ó máa ń fà gidi ní lílá lásán ni. Eléyìí jíjẹ. Kò sí nǹkan tó bá dì ńbẹ̀. Nínú tí yín gan dùn, tested and trusted ni. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Please cut it. Má jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ pé òwò ẹ̀tọ́. Má sọ̀rọ̀ ìdààmú oko kalẹ̀ o. Má jẹ́ kí marriage ẹ suffer. Má jẹ́ kí sexual life ẹ suffer. This thing is not something difficult. This thing is made. God, what is this?